Okay, hi people. This video is about, as the title suggests, can you believe in some God outside you if you are practicing the law of assumption or the fact that you're the God of your reality? I do not think there are too many videos on YouTube on this because I haven't come across any of them. Now, I want to answer this because I think I understand this. When we talk about law of assumption, we mean that all our experiences in life, every little and big experiences in our lives, is directly connected to our assumptions about things, people around us, situations around us. Now, when I talk about law of assumption, it's an assumption based on your experiences in life. So, if you are the God of your reality, can you believe in some other God that's outside you? Any God you name. Would that actually necessarily mean that you are putting the power on some other entity? Or would it mean like you are being led by some other power? As per Neville, God is nothing but the brilliant human imagination. That's that magnificent human imagination. That is God. So, if your assumption is that there is some God who is looking after your life, who is looking after what you need, what you desire, who is catering to you, I see no reason why you cannot assume so. The only difference being, in law of assumption, or as per the law, no outside force is actually giving you anything, the universe or whatever. That is the law. But then, on a broader spectrum of manifestation, you can actually assign a meaning to the God that you believe in. If you believe that the God you believe in is, if you truly assume to the point that it becomes a knowing inside you, that the God will not let you down. So that is actually your brilliant and beautiful human imagination. So if you really feel it's slightly arrogant to call yourself the God of your reality, then you can definitely have faith in some other God, but then that faith has to be completely undeterred. That being said, a better way to put it or practice it is, you assume you are the God, that God is inside you. You can, of course, pray, but you can just assume that the God you believe in is inside you and take it up from there. Focus on your mental thoughts, speak to the God inside you, and ensure you know exactly what you are asking for, so that the God inside you knows. Because if you ask me, everything is social conditioning, and every God we worship actually is inside us. The power, I mean, because God is um, is symbolic of power and benevolence for all of us. So if you're praying and asking God for something, it's better that you assume that the God is inside you, because that gives you more strength, that gives you more faith that your prayers are going to be answered, and that actually gives you more power to sustain the 3D that you might not like at the moment, and to the strength to ensure that you create assumptions to change it to a 3D reality view which you actually want to be a part of. So if you ask me, can you pray to a God outside you? Of course you can. Of course you can, because law of assumption is actually based on anything that you deeply believe in. If you assume there is a God outside you who is looking after you, who is catering to you, who is listening to you, who is listening to your prayers, who is answering your prayers, if the faith is undeterred, if the faith is strong, of course you can apply the law that way, because it's all the law of assumption. But do not just flow with it and just leave it to the God, and just be like and not monitor your mental thoughts, because the basis of the law of assumption is monitoring your mental thoughts. If you're not monitoring them, then the God inside you will get baffled. This is slightly deep. I know this cannot be covered in one video. I will try to make a few videos on this, because I took a long sabbatical. So, but then, long story short, yes, you can believe in a God outside you. It's all your assumption. If you assume that this Lord or this God is going to fulfill all your dreams and desires, if the faith is undeterred, you can definitely assume it and have it as a knowing, and that is exactly what is going to manifest in your life. Because if you have faith that this person is going to react this way, then you can also have faith that my God is constantly taking care of me, protecting me, and answering my prayers, and looking after my dreams and desires. It's all part of what is here, your mental diet, how you kind of choose to focus on it, on your dreams and etc. I hope that answers it. If not, you may ask me a few other questions. I will try to answer them, and that's all. May God be with you. Bye.